Today we are talking about something very important in the stock market: heavy put buying in two popular stocks, AMD and Robinhood. This news is getting a lot of attention because it may be a warning sign. When big investors, the so-called smart money, buy a lot of puts, it usually means they expect downside risk or uncertainty ahead. Let's begin. What happened? A large amount of put options were bought in AMD and Robinhood. A put option is a financial tool that usually goes up in value when a stock goes down. So, when investors buy many puts, it often means they think the stock might fall soon. They want a protection. Something in the news is making them cautious. And today, that's exactly what happened. Why put buying matters? Put buying is important because it shows fear, it shows caution, it shows someone expects trouble. Their buyers are often smart, experienced traders. Big money does not spend millions on puts for no reason. So, when we see heavy put buying, it's a sign we need to pay attention. Why are people buying puts on AMD? Let's talk about AMD first. AMD is a strong company in the chip and AI market, but there are a few reasons why traders might caution. Reason 1: strong, com strong competitions from NVIDIA. NVIDIA is still leading the AI chip race. Some investors worry AMD may have slower growth if NVIDIA stays far ahead. Reason 2: high expectations. When expectations are too high, even small bad news can make the stock drop. Reason 3: short-term market fear. Before big events like earnings or product updates, traders sometimes use puts for safety just in case. So the heavy put buying does not mean AMD is a bad company. It just means traders expect possible short-term weakness. Why are investors buying puts on Robinhood? Robinhood is the popular trading app used by many retail investors. But today, large put buying shows that big traders have some worries. Reason 1: lower trading activity, fewer people trading, less revenue for Robinhood. Reason 2: market uncertainty. If the market becomes unstable, Robinhood's business slows down. Reason 3: regulatory risks. Robinhood always faces pressure from US regulators. This makes big investors nervous. Because of these risks, traders buy puts to protect themselves. What smart money is trying to say: when big traders buy puts heavily, they are sending a message. We think something could go wrong soon. We want protection. Uncertainty is coming. This does not always mean the stock will crash, but it does mean traders are preparing for possible problems in a few days or weeks. Does this mean you should sell AMD or Robinhood? Not necessarily. Heavy put buying does not mean the companies are bad. It does not mean long-term investors should panic. What it means is smart money expects short-term risk. Prices may move up and down more. There may be news coming soon. Traders want protection. Sometimes, after heavy put buying, the stock may even rise later because the fear was only temporary. What investors should watch next? If you follow AMD or Robinhood, here are the key things to watch. For AMD, new AI chips news, competition with NVIDIA, earning reports, demand for data center chips. For Robinhood, trading activity levels, regulatory news, earnings performance. If these numbers look good, the stock could rise again later. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please comment and subscribe.